Hello, welcome to this video and see. I show you an hair trimmer for you. Yes, this is the HTC AT-528 hair trimmer. It's a very nice stylish device for personal use. And you can also use professional. It's very nice looking, stylish, fashionable, and heavy charging equipment. It's heavy loaded. Just see the box. I will see you everything what is in the box. You see this AT-528 rechargeable hair trimmer. You see some instruction. Let's keep it optional. Some instruction to use in the box and certification. What types of certification? It's a green product, C certificate. It's a main 2-year warranty service. If you buy this, 2 years warranty. For it's a main use. You see the men's use DC hair trimmer men's. It's not for women. It's keyword on the box. You see. And some instruction how to use, how to charge, how to research, etc. Given in the box. It's a HTC professional hair kit. Let's see what is in the box. I see you. I can't wait for this. Wow. Let's see. Open the box. Wow. Oh, very nice. It's a very nice plastic box. User manual. See, just to read before you use this. The charging instruction and using instruction. It's a charging cable. It's also a cable for using. Plug and play. It's a brush for cleaning the device, and it's a oil, machine oil for using the device, and this is clipper. We will receive 4 clipper in the box. So this is 7 mm. This is the 5 mm, and then 3 mm. Say 3 mm and 1 mm. Very nice size. Always use this size. Let's see the machine. Wow, it's very handy to use machine. Looking so gorgeous. It's plastic body. Steel fan, teach HTC hair trimmer. You see this? What a car! Oh, very. And this is the power switch, on-off switch. You just on and twist up, stop, on-off switch, and there is a light. Indicator, charging indicator for power switch. This is the front side. Very smooth and very nice. If you want to buy this device, you can see my description box. I have put a video link in the description box. Just click and buy. And you also can buy from your nearest shop. I put the video description box, Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, etc. Many of things. Thank you for watching this video. If you want